Hello, my dear students. I know you all are fine. And dear students, I am also fine. I have checked your papers. Yes, GK paper. Very nicely, all students solved the paper. And maximum students got more than 15 marks. Okay? So I am very happy about it. So let's start our new session with new lessons. Okay? Good morning, all of you, and welcome once again. From today, we are going to learn aptitude, lesson number 7, 8, 9, and 6 also. So, once again, I would like to welcome you for the new session from Indrayani English School. Few days before, we have celebrated Raksha Bandhan festival. So we had good experience about it, and now with enthusiasm, with new potential, now I am ready to teach you, and you all also ready to learn you. Okay, we'll go ahead. 6th standard aptitude lesson number 6 we are going to learn today. Coding and decoding. Expressing something in a secret way is called coding. Expressing something in a secret way is called coding. Means everybody knows when we talk or when we talks with our best friend, and sometimes teachers punish us. They don't ask us to sit together on the same bench. So maybe sometimes you sit on first bench and your best friend sometimes sit on last bench. So at that time, you students or you friends decide some code language. Means whenever teacher is teaching and you want to talk with your best friend, but without making noise or without saying anything, you students or you friends decide some coding. So you are using eyes, you are using your fingers, or you are using pencils, you are using something different things to talk with your friends. Okay, it's called coding. So there is some secret way to talk with your friend. Okay, it's called coding. And the process of understanding a code language is called decoding. And your friend understand what you want to say with him or her. It's called decoding. Means automatically your friends get understand what you wanted to talk with her or with him. It's a process. It's called decoding. So here students, we are going to learn lesson number 6, coding and decoding. We are going to see first question. If dog means lion. Now students, to better understand, here I have written examples. So you also do one thing, take your notebook, take a pencil, take a rough notebook, take a pencil, and whatever characters are given in the question, you write it, and I will explain you one by one. So take your rough notebook, or you can take the rough paper also. If dog means lion, so make 2 columns, write dog, put dash, then lion. Then in the next line write lion means deer, lion dash deer. Next line deer means rabbit, deer dash rabbit. Then think of the jungle, then king of the jungle is, so we almost know, all students are knowing that the king of the jungle is lion, correct? But student, in coding, if we tell you dog means lion, lion is not lion in this situation. Okay, am I correct? Am I right? So we are thinking separately that the dog is lion. So here dog means lion. So in the options we have got 4 words: dog, lion, deer, rabbit. So lion is the wrong answer, because in coding word lion is not as lion. So that is why dog is king of the jungle in this coding situation. So the correct answer is dog. Have you understand? See this, I have written here dog means lion, lion means deer, deer means rabbit, and rabbit means is not given here. So that is why dog is the correct answer. Second question, are you getting it, students? I hope you all are getting it and you understand it. If blue is called yellow, once again write down in your book, blue dash yellow. Yellow is called green, yellow dash green, and green is called red. Then the color of turmeric is, so students, we all are knowing the color of turmeric is, yes, yellow. But in the coding word we have got that yellow means green color. Then should I say it is right? No. In the coding word blue means yellow color. So what will be our correct answer? Yes, our correct answer is blue, means A option is the correct answer. Got it? Because blue is yellow. Got it? Okay, very good. Question number 3. If USA is called Russia, Russia is called India, India is called China, and China is called Nepal, then Delhi is the capital of. Now here we get confused, because we all are knowing Delhi is capital of India, but in the coding situation or in the coding word, what they have given here, USA is called Russia, Russia is called India. So Russia is our correct answer, because in the coding word Russia means India. Russia means India. So the Delhi is capital of Russia. Got it? Next, if April means December, so again write down in your notebook, if April means December, write April dash December. December means August, December dash August, August dash January, January dash October. Then Republic Day is celebrated in the month of, so we all are knowing Republic Day we celebrate in January month, 26 Jan. But in a coding word, what is the mean of January? January means October. So we don't celebrate Republic Day in October month. So what will get the correct answer? How will get the correct answer? So for that we have to find out. August means January. Yes. So our correct answer is August. Then Republic Day is celebrated in the month of August. Got it? Yes. Next. If apple means potato, potato means onion, onion means mango, mango means brinjal, and brinjal means banana, then the king of the fruit is... What is the king of the fruit? Apple means potato, potato means onion, onion means mango. So here is our answer. Here is our answer. So that is why onion is the correct answer. Got it? Because we are saying onion is the mango. 10th question. If tree is called air, air is called water, water is called sun, sun is called human, and human is called earth, then while raining we get... So especially we are knowing when it will be raining, then what we get? We get water. But here we are getting answer air is called water. So our correct answer is air, because we think air in this situation, in the coding word air means water. So that is why while raining we get air. Got it, students? If you are confused, you don't understand it, or if you think I am wrong, you can contact me on my personal number, or you can ask me any question. Okay, don't worry. So we'll go ahead. Question number 11. See, now this is a different question type, so we will learn it slowly. If code of packet is 258376 and code of blue is 1097, then the code of plate is... See students, now here P means 2. I have solved this question here on this page. See here, P, under the P I have written 2, under the A I have written 5, C 8, K 3, E 7 and T 6. B means 1, L means O, U means 9 and E means 7. Okay, so what is our question? Packet is in the coding 258376 and blue is in the coding 1097. Then we have to find out what is the code of play. So for that we will write all these numbers and all these letters on one page. We will get the each letters number, and then we can make plate code. So here I have solved it for you. P means 2, L in the code we get O, A in the code we get 5, and T in the code we get 6, and E we get 7. So that is why we don't have to go and see the options. If we solved it in the mind immediately, we understand what is the answer. So it's my request to all students, when we solve this type of questions, don't go and see the options. You solve the questions with pencil, or in mind also you can solve the question immediately, and whatever answer you got after solving, immediately find out it and then take the correct answer. Okay, so here A is our correct option. So no need to go and see the other options, because here you already got answer. See 12th question. Sorry. If rice is coded as 7185, immediately write down under the R 7, under the I 1, under the C 8, and under 5 write, under E write 5. Again next we have to find out 42963, means mouth is coded 42963. So here we all are getting numbers as a letter. Then other will be code as, so here also I have solved it for you. O means 2, T means 6, H means 3, E means 5, and R means 7. 26357. 26357 is we are getting in the D option. So here is our answer D. Got it, students? Okay. Go for the 13th question. In a certain code, pencil is written as LICNEP. Now this is a different type of question, so we have to find out. So how we'll find? Very easy, student. See, P is in the first situation, okay, in the first, and L in the last situation, in the last part. So here if we go and see, L is the first part and P is the last part. So again we go and see, I is second last and this I is second. So when we see the PENCIL in the back counting or back manner, PENCIL. Okay, so this is the code. So like that, then if the same code MOBILE, so we go at like a back counting, ELIBOM, ELIBOM, and our correct answer is C, ELIBOM. Got it? Very good. Solve in your textbook, or to understand or to practice, you can write in the rough notebook also. We'll go for the next, perceptual reasoning. What is the mean by perceptual reasoning, students? Perceptual reasoning, the ability to use knowledge gained visually to take correct decision or act accordingly. Means what? Means in junior KG or in nursery, we learnt one story. In that story, students, we don't learn directly ABCD. So how do we learn? First we understand the pictures. First we learn the pictures, and by pictures we come to know this is A an apple, B for ball. First we learn the pictures and then we go to learn all the alphabets. So like this, in our nursery class or in junior KG class, every year, those who are in junior KG or those who are in nursery class, they learn one story. Which story it is? Crow on water. Yes, most students like this story. So by story we understand everything. By pictures we understand everything. There is one pot, and in that pot the water is very low. and crow is very thirsty, so he got an idea. So so without reading or without understanding, without reading, we understand the picture, what is shown in the picture, what is given in the picture, what is the actually situation, what that crow wants to do. Everything we understand by the picture. Means we learn by picture, we understand by picture, we do study with the help of pictures. So it's called perceptual reasoning. Okay, so whatever we see in the picture, we have to understand as it is, we have to learn as it is. For example, I can tell you one more thing, that suppose you are learning 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You all are knowing, while learning numbers, we start 0 1 2 3 4 5. So do we write first 2, then do we write directly 5, do we write directly 9? No, in the order we all are knowing 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the perfect order. Okay, so we all are knowing about it. So in each of the following questions, choose the given combination of numbers, letters or letters numbers from amongst the alternatives provided below. In each question, the first one has been done for you. So like that, if we learn the numbers, we know their situation, means 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So that like that, some numbers are given in some orders. Here some numbers are given in the orders, like 4 9 3 6 2 7. So this is the question. Okay, while looking at it, immediately we come to know these are 6 numbers: 4 9 3 6 2 7. These are 6 numbers. And for making us confusion, they have given us 4 options, right? So we have to understand what is the position of each number. So 4 is in first position, 9 is in second position, 3 is in third position, 6 is in fourth position, 2 is in fifth position, and 7 is in last position. So in these options, they make us confused. So for that, immediately we have to understand whatever positions are given in the question, we have to find out the same positions in the options. So that is why here, what is the combination, what is the solution? 4 9 3 2 6 7. Is it the correct answer? No. So our answer is, here all the combinations given in the options appear similar. However, the sequence of number is different except in C. Therefore, the correct answer is C. So, in the C, all the numbers in the correct sequence which is given in the question. That is why the answer is C. So this is very easy, students, to understand. We have to understand what is the situation of the number. Second question will solve. See the situation of the number 662924. To make it easy, what we have to do, students, to make it easy, that numbers you have to make in 4 part, or you have to make in 3 part, like 662924, or either you can make in 2 part, 662924. Then it is very easy to understand it or to learn it. or to keep in the mind. 662,924. So immediately in the options you have to find out 662,924, and the last option is the correct answer. Tick mark and write down in your notebook. Then question number 3, 259,748. 259,748. Immediately you should understand it's like a picture, and 259,748. So here is the correct answer is B. Next 4, 727,956. 727,956. Correct option is E. So like this you have to solve your next questions. I have given, because it is very easy, so that is why I have given here very few questions. Next questions I request all of you to solve yourself. Okay, now we'll go ahead.